Namaskar. Welcome to our channel Bio by Gulab Sir for Wisdom Coaching Center. As a part of series of lectures, today's topic is nodal tissue, a special musculature of cardiac muscles. In heart, these two nodal tissues, that SA and AV. SA stand for sino-auricular node and AV stand for auriculoventricular node. SA node and AV node. As we know that human heart is myogenic, that heartbeat originated in human heart itself or mammal heart. Human heart is myogenic. The word myogenic means heartbeat originated in human heart itself. That is myogenic. SA stand for sino-auricular node. Sino-auricular node. And AV stand for auriculoventricular node. So remember these two full form, SA and AV node. Where they are located in heart? Here, upper part of the right atrium. This is auriculoventricular septum. Already we learned about internal structure of heart. Here, this is the area where this AV node is located. AV node is located. Let you find out, this is the AV node, SA node. This is the SA node. Here, this sino-auricular node, when the wave of contraction is begin, it pass over first auricle. So, auricular systole. Auricular systole. That lasts for 0.1 second in cardiac cycle. So, wave of contraction initiate on SA node, and that wave of contraction pass over auricle to contract and have auricular systole for 0.1 second. By the time blood is pumped into ventricles, and that wave of contraction later is collected on AV node. This AV node, auriculoventricular node, is present at auriculoventricular septum, and when it pass over auriculoventricular septum in the middle of ventricle, in the middle of interventricular septum, it bifurcate into two bundles. These two bundles are called bundle of His. These two bundles are bundle of His along with Purkinje fiber. So this is SA node, sino-auricular node. This is AV node, and this is bundle of His, which that fibers bifurcate and form two bundles, right and left. This right produces small fiber that pass over and left pass over, and right fiber pass over that cardiac musculature to have the contraction of ventricles. So wave of contraction is collected on AV node. From AV node, with the excitation, that AV node, it pass through this bundle of His, right and left, and small fiber-like structure which passes through cardiac muscles. They interdigitally, they arrange into the cardiac muscles, and where that they develop the action potential to have the ventricular systole. So, ventricular systole. This ventricular systole is last for 0.3 second, and as we know that cardiac cycle, that is one heartbeat, simultaneous contraction and relaxation of auricles and ventricles to receive and pump the blood, that is known as one heartbeat, also known as one cardiac cycle. Together it take time 0.8 second. Then what is about that 0.4 second? This is what 0.1 plus 0.3, 0.4, and what is that 0.4 second? When that ventricles were contracted and blood pumped to through aorta to all parts of the body and pulmonary artery to lungs, ventricles begin to relax. By that time auricles are relaxed. That is known as joint diastole. Joint diastole. In that condition, both auricle and ventricle are in relaxed stage, which lasts for 0.4 second. Thus, this altogether is 0.8 second. So, cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 second. That they receive deoxygenated blood, pump to the lungs, oxygenated come to the heart, and then heart pump that oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. So heart receives same blood twice, once it as a impure and second time it as a pure. So receiving and pumping that blood, same blood twice, is known as double circulation. It is possible because of pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation, and that we are going to learn in second part. So here what is supposed to learn under this heading, that nodal tissue, this SA node and AV node are specialized cardiac musculature that is auto-excitable. The tissue are auto-excitable. That means there is no need of any stimulus from brain to originate the heartbeat. So this SA node is also known as pacemaker. SA node is also known as pacemaker because it maintains the pace between two heartbeat, and this SA node can generate that nerve impulse or generate action potential and have that 70 to 75 heartbeat per minute. So capacity of SA node to generate action potential and produce 70 to 75 beats per minute. That is on its own. So therefore our heart is known as myogenic heart, since heartbeats are originated in heart itself by the specialized cardiac musculature nodal tissue called SA node. And hence it is what in under auto control to have the rhythmic contraction and relaxation for 70 to 75 times to have the one cardiac cycle, as that 70 to 75 cardiac cycle to receive and pump approximately 5 liter of blood. So 5 liter, that is 5000 ml of blood, 5040, that is 5000 ml of blood is being pumped per minute, as in one stroke, that is called stroke volume, 70 ml of blood is pumped by the ventricle. So for per bit, when 72 bit into 70, that come to 5040 ml of blood per minute, and that is cardiac output. So here we did learn that what are SA node and AV node, where they are located. Question can be asked, what are SA node and AV node, where are they located? What are SA and AV node, where they are located, and what is their function, what is their role in cardiac cycle. This is what the question very often asks. As well as in NEET, it can be asked, what is pacemaker in human being? This is for NEET. How much time that auricular systole take? This is NEET. That cardiac output is 5,000 ml per minute. Again, question for the NEET. These ventricular systole, that what again last for 0.3 second NEET, and total time taken for one cardiac cycle, that is again question for NEET. So here this Purkinje fiber also can be asked. Purkinje fiber can be asked for the NEET as a branches of that bundle of his. I hope you did understand these structure, location and function of SA node and AV node in the development of action potential and conduction of that wave of contraction and relaxation on auricle and ventricle simultaneously to receive and pump the blood to have the one cardiac cycle in 0.8 second, so as to have 72 heartbeat in 1 minute to pump approximately 5,000 ml of blood per minute. I hope you did understand, and even if you are in doubt, you can ask in comment section, and I appeal you to like our channel and subscribe it as well. Press bell icon to receive you new videos as and when they are uploaded. Thank you.